Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video I'm going to show you how to view answer in Google form, right? So this is a Google form and I've created it. Right now there is a question, so easily you can just know, right, the answer is 4, right? So if you want to view the answer, you have to just right click, and after that you have to go to the view page source. And basically let me tell you that this is not a foolproof answer. This is not a foolproof video which will solve your problem. You can find the solution to every Google form. No, that is not possible, because it depends, because this is a loophole, and Google knows about it, and in many of the times Google fix it, right? So in this way you have to search here. You have to just press Ctrl plus F, and after that you have to search 2 plus 2 and just hit the question mark. Okay, and after that whatever the question is, just make sure. So right now you can see that I'm not getting any kind of error, and even though if I just write the tier 4 answer, I will not get it, right? So basically there was a loophole which Google have fixed it, and this is it. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.